Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Google Workspace account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to workspace.google.com, and you're going to land to a page that looks just like this one. From here, we'll notice there is no login button at the top, but if we go ahead and click on admin console, that's essentially going to log us in. So now just give that a few moments to open up a new page. Then from here, we need to go ahead and enter your password. Make sure you're on the correct account that you want to access Google's Workspace. So I'm on the correct account here, and I'm going to put in my password and click next. Then on the next page, you might get a pop-up looking like this: sign in with an administrator account. So to sign into admin.google, you use an administrator account for a managed Google service such as Google Workspace or Cloud. So choose your account, or you can go ahead and click on use another account. And then after that, you're going to be redirected back to Google's Workspace.